Good evening. Our top story tonight, that heated news conference at the state capitol. The goal was to try to classify and clarify guidance on vaccines and Tylenol while pregnant and messages coming out of Washington.
But a crowd of rowdy people who were on hand were not having it and made their opposition to vaccines and government health guidance as well. News 8's Lisa Carberg has that story. Lisa.
Dennis and Catherine, safety in vaccines and taking Tylenol while pregnant was the underlying message, but it was hard to stay on track with some loud voices in the room. Still, leaders did their best at public health messaging.
This was not your usual news conference at the state legislative office building today. Top health leaders gathered to spread the message that childhood vaccines, COVID vaccines, and taking Tylenol while pregnant are safe. But those on hand refused to listen. First, a health collaborative of northeastern states got pushback.
The Northeast Public Health Collaborative is something that we commissioners do all the time, which is people get together and talk about how you are navigating the news system. And we are not going against any federal recommendations at this time.
Republican State Representative Ann DeFinas stood strong with the crowd.
That the people in this building that came today want to have a voice. They want to be heard. They want to see where this is going.
As far as I'm concerned, when we're talking vaccines or any medical choice, it should be up to the parents.
State Senator Saud Anwar, a physician, tried to explain the broad public health benefits of a vaccinated public.
Either a victim or you're a vector. Well, you're a vector is a person who spreads the infection. So you can result in a spread of infection even if you're healthy, and that's how the viruses work.
Another issue addressed by the state's top doctor, Manisha Jutani, federal cuts coming to Connecticut out of Washington. Now, the health leaders on hand today did thank those who came out to express their opinions. Lisa Carberg, News 8.